Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants die from too much sugar? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants do not die from too much sugar, instead it helps them to perform daily tasks. These tiny creatures are always searching for new food and can store extra sugar in the form of glycogen. In addition, it improves their defensive capabilities by releasing secretions from glands that spread around the exoskeleton. It can take 5 to 9 microliters of sweet water at a time. They like natural sweeteners as compared to artificial ones. Yellow ants do not like to eat sweet things. They use it to perform daily activities because they are responsible for feeding other mates of their nest or colony. It depicts the nature of their lifestyle, which is quite complicated because they move quickly in search of food. To perform all these activities, they need more energy. Carbohydrates are a good and instant energy source, so they get attracted to sugar frequently. These products can keep their energy level high, which is the primary reason for their attraction to sweet things. These insects have to work hard for so many reasons, including making a new place for their young ones, providing food, and making their colony bigger daily. These can reproduce quite frequently because the lifespan of the ants is not more than 5 to 7 months. So the queen ants prepare them to carry out all their responsibilities. All these tasks require a great amount of energy, and that is the reason they consume it to stay active. Worker ants take all the food sources according to their capacity for their colonies and for the other members. Although these do not live for a long time compared to other colony mates, including queen and carpenter ants, as they have to keep moving throughout the day. These insects store the extra food in their stomach, known as crop, to feed other members of the colony. However, in case the amount of sugar is more than their need, they can store it in the form of glycogen. If you see some insects bulging, they are storing fat in their bodies. You can see them finding something on the ground in the kitchen and where there is some food. This is because of the habit of finding new food sources, which can be a good source of energy for them. Sometimes you can find them moving in a lane after one another to piece off a dessert or cereal. These are attracted to liquid-based food items including honey or some drink. They come out of their nest mostly at night to perform all the activities. During the day, they take many naps to regain energy and perform their duty again. As these insects pass through some sweet food product, they store an extra amount for future use or to feed their nest mates. You can see them moving for food as it is their job to gather it for all the mates. Worker ants take the sugar carrying through their mandibles to the colony and give it to others through their mouth in sweet drops. Moreover, excess sweet can never be problematic for these insects as they have lots of activities like digging the soil to create more space for others, and queen ants lay eggs. As they consume more sugar, a mechanism gets active in which glands produce secretions. These cover themselves with the secretions which help in the defense. Ants spread this layer on the exoskeleton and it improves the germs fighting ability in them. It helps to fight against fungus creating bacteria that are present inside the nest and produce natural antibiotics for this purpose. The layer of fat protects them from any other chemical that comes in contact with it having water content. You can notice that the insect does not get fat because of the workload. It has to do a lot of work that helps to keep it fit in every situation. This insect does not store sugar for extra time, and in this way it requires eating some food every 3 to 5 hours. Moreover, ants have a fast and effective metabolism that helps keep them active and efficiently perform their duty. Their small hills also contain a higher covering that gathers the sun's energy and helps the ants grow fast. They have a specific sense of smell that takes them to a reservoir of sugar that can be a pot in the kitchen or a piece of dessert laying on the table. It contains aromatic substances and spread them throughout the path from where it passes so that it can find the way back to the nest and tell other members about the food source. These aroma containing substances provide other ants the way to their sugary food item. They have mandibles for this purpose to take the extra food with them. They have to find new sources of food and they find them by sniffing the chemical substances present in their surroundings. Ants have a strong ability to detect a source of food that is almost 9 to 11 feet away from them. They use antennae for food detection and their sniffing power is better than humans. Ants are the insects that move towards processed sugar more than plain because they find it tastier to eat. In most cases, it is evident that ants can also die when there is an extra amount of sugar present in the surroundings. It occurs because it can bind all the water, which causes dehydration and leads to their death. Thanks for watching the video.